Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In the context of the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022, Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTC, P0711 and P0714 relate to issues with the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, temperature sensor. DTC P0711 denotes a range or performance issue with the ATF temperature sensor. Conversely, P0714 indicates an intermittent failure in the same sensor. These sensors play a crucial role in monitoring the temperature of the transmission fluid, helping to ensure optimal performance and avoid overheating. If these codes appear, it suggests potential electrical circuit problems rather than mechanical issues with the transmission, emphasizing the importance of verifying electrical connections. The troubleshooting steps for these DTCs involve diagnostic tests, such as checking wiring continuity and wiring integrity, illustrating the complex relationship between electrical components and vehicle performance. The error codes P0711 and P0714 are associated with the ATF temperature sensor, a key component in managing vehicle performance. This sensor's primary role is to monitor the temperature of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, ensuring that the transmission operates within safe temperature limits. The sensor is typically located near the automatic transmission, facilitating accurate readings of the fluid temperature. Additionally, it communicates data to the Transmission Control Module, TCM, which makes vital adjustments to the transmission process based on this information. Should the ATF overheat or experience performance issues, the TCM can enact changes to optimize vehicle operation, making this sensor essential for maintaining vehicle longevity and efficiency. When diagnosing DTCs, P0711 and P0714, the primary cause revolves around electrical circuit-related issues. These problems can stem from poor connections, which may disrupt the flow of information between the ATF temperature sensor and the TCM. Loose terminals can also lead to intermittent or unreliable signals, resulting in faults being registered. It's important to consider open circuits. If there is an interruption in the electrical pathway between components, the sensor may fail to relay correct temperature readings. Additionally, shorted wires can mislead the onboard system by inadvertently connecting with the ground. Each of these possibilities emphasizes the critical nature of the electrical connections in the vehicle's transmission system. Drivers may notice several symptoms when experiencing issues related to DTC's P0711 and P0714. First, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, signaling a problem within the transmission system. Additionally, there could be observable transmission performance issues, such as slipping or delayed shifting, leading to an unexpected driving experience. Unpredictable shifting behavior can occur due to incorrect temperature readings affecting the TCM's decision-making process. In severe cases, the engine temperature may also rise if the transmission fluid overheats, potentially causing further damage. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential to mitigating more significant issues down the line. The first troubleshooting step in addressing DTC's P0711 and P0714 involves verifying the problem and checking for other existing codes. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which helps to activate the vehicle's diagnostic system. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing DTCs. This clearance is necessary to reset the system for a fresh test drive. After clearing the codes, conduct a test drive that lasts a minimum of 5 minutes, ensuring that you replicate the driving conditions indicated by the freeze frame data. After the test drive, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs using the HDS. If either DTC appears, the failure has been duplicated, leading to the next troubleshooting steps. If no DTCs are present, the fault may be intermittent, and further investigation into poor connections is recommended. The second troubleshooting step focuses on checking for open circuits in the ATF temperature sensor wiring. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off/lock mode, which ensures safety while working on the electrical system. Next, disconnect the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector to isolate the wiring. This step is crucial because it allows for accurate continuity testing without interference. Check for continuity between designated test points. TCM subharness connector number 25 and TCM 58P connector number 30, as well as between number 26 on the subharness and number 17 on the TCM connector. If continuity exists, it implies that the TATFM and TATFP wires are intact. However, if continuity fails, it indicates an open circuit that must be repaired in the wiring connecting the sensor to the TCM. The third troubleshooting step emphasizes identifying any short circuits within the ATF temperature sensor circuit. Ensure that the vehicle is in off/lock mode and that the relevant connectors remain disconnected. Continuity testing should be conducted between the specified test points and the vehicle's body ground. You would be checking the TCM 58P connector, terminal number 17 and number 30 for continuity to ground. If continuity is detected, it indicates a short to ground within the TATFM or TATFP wires, which would necessitate repair. Conversely, if no continuity is found, it is likely that the wiring itself is intact, leading to the conclusion that the sensor unit may need to be replaced. After completing repairs related to DTCs P0711 and P0714, it is essential to conduct a final verification of the repair. This involves performing a comprehensive system check to ensure that all wiring and connections have been restored to proper working order. It's advisable to verify that all connectors are seated correctly and that there are no residual faults present. Following this, a test drive should be conducted to confirm that the previous symptoms have been resolved and that the vehicle operates normally. Keeping track of the vehicle's performance during this test will help ensure that all issues associated with the DTCs have been effectively addressed, providing peace of mind for both the technician and the vehicle owner. Preventive maintenance is key in avoiding issues related to DTCs P0711 and P0714 in the Honda Pilot. It is essential to regularly inspect electrical connections, particularly in the transmission system, to identify potential wear or corrosion before they lead to significant problems. Keeping the automatic transmission fluid ATF levels at an optimal range is also vital. This can help maintain sensor functionality and overall transmission performance. Furthermore, using quality replacement parts during repairs can drastically improve the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's systems. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule that includes these practices can ultimately save time and reduce costly repairs in the future. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTCs P0711 and P0714 is essential for maintaining the performance of the Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. By following a structured troubleshooting process, technicians can accurately pinpoint issues related to the ATF temperature sensor and correct them effectively. It's equally important to perform preventive maintenance regularly to mitigate future issues, ensuring that all electrical connections are robust and that ATF fluid levels are adequately maintained. By incorporating these practices, vehicle owners can ensure reliability and safety while prolonging the lifespan of the transmission system. Ultimately, knowledge and proactive measures will lead to a better driving experience and overall vehicle health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.